dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel. As today giving a back-to-back update and information as today hot. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. The headlines: the people APC and PDP don't resume battle again. No, hey, as I do tribunal begins hearing on Monday. Now these people don't start their katakata again. Hey, my phone be small. Moving on after this, we have the State chapter of the All Progressive Congress and People Democratic Party don't enter verbal war, my people, over the first flyover construction in Edo State. Hey, my people, it don't set. Alright, my wonderful people, if I go, you know, the mentor, I go like welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. I thank you now well for joining us on today wonderful news. Oh yeah, my people, make a know the mentor. The Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal is going to commence pre-hearing on Monday in Benin City as petition challenging the victory of Senator Mondo Obolo of the All Progressive Congress in September 21st, 2024 governorship election come under judicial scrutiny. So now, my people, the Secretary of the Tribunal, Muaz Bagudu, don't confirm the development on Tuesday. He don't confirm to everyone who said the pre-hearing in the case of Mondo Obolo and other parties go begin on Monday. My people now go remember said the Independent National Electoral Commission had declared Mondo Obolo the winner of the poll on September 22, whereby Mondo Obolo secured vote of 291,667 votes to defeat the People Democratic Party candidate Dr. Asu Hodalo, who scored 247,774 votes, and Labour Party Olumide Pata, who gained 22,763 votes. So my people, the parties were dissatisfied with INEC declaration, whereby the PDP alongside with 6 other political parties filed petition before the tribunal seeking to overturn the election results. The 3-member tribunal, chaired by Justice Wilfred Okpoche, will hear 7 separate petitions filed by various parties and candidates. But now, my people, the PDP in their suit is asking the tribunal to nullify the election result and declare the Hodalo as the rightful winner. Their court party and their candidates are challenging INEC, Mondo Obolo and APC in suit number EPT/ED/GOV/01/2024. So the PDP and Hodalo have approached the tribunal in suit number EPT/ED/GOV/02/2024 to contest INEC declaration of Mondo Obolo as the winner. The additional suits were filed by the Alliance Party, Social Democratic Party, Allied Party Movement, Action Democratic Party, and Zenith Labour Party, all contesting INEC decision and Mondo Obolo victory. So now, my people, the PDP caretaker chairman in Edo State, Tony Ezebabe, don't express confidence in the tribunal. He don't talk, say they believe that the judiciary will look at the overwhelming evidence. They have to show that the election was stolen. That their lawyer will present the case to recover the stolen mandate. On the other hand, my people, the APC spokesperson Peter Wadiag-Binege don't confirm his party readiness to defend their mandates. In talk, say they have the best legal team and they are prepared to counter the PDP's claim that the caliber of judges on the tribunal assure them of a fair process. That Edo people will see that the PDP has lost relevance, while the APC is focused on improving lives in Edo State. So they're not a fear for that one. That they are fully ready. My people don't be small while. They say they can't wait till on Monday when they will begin the tribunal. So my people go like me gonna chook mouth for this matter. Make una tell me what you feel, what you think about this matter, because as the matter be, a lot of people file petition against INEC and Mondo Obolo challenging the results. Not be only PDP. My people, how una see the judgment? What you feel? What you think? Now go be the turnout on that day. I beg, make una let us know in the comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying serious. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State chapter of the All Progressive Congress and the People Democratic Party are in verbal war, my people, over the first flyover construction in Edo State. There was a report that the Edo State Governor Mondo Obolo had last month flagged off the construction of the bridge at Ramat Park in Iboboka local government area, Benin City, Edo State. So you guys can recall, at a press briefing on November 2024, the chairman of Edo State Caretaker Committee of PDP, Dr. Anthony Zebami, alleged that the award of contract for the project that Mondo Obolo has begun violated all standard procurement procedure. According to Tony Zimbabwe, he said they are also aware that the emergency overhead bridge flagged off by Mondo Obolo led government at Ramat Park, Benin City, bypass all standard procurement procedures. That the flyover is nothing but a white elephant project to reward godfathers for their role in subverting the will of Edo people at the just concluded gubernatorial election. So Tony Zamori said they demand that the government should make public the procurement procedure for this project. They should also make public the cost of the project and timeline, how the contractors were selected, and whether the process comply with the State Public Procurement Act, among other details relating to the project. Because they said they are aware that Mondo Bobolo is dismantling all the levels of government and governors that he inherited from Governor Godwin Obaseki. And so they're not surprised that Mondo Bobolo considers the State Procurement Act a hindrance that must be dismantled. So reacting to what Tony Zabumi said, Gerard Tinebe, the acting state chairman of APC, berated the former for not being in tune with today's governor's reality. Tinebe, who capitated PDP on their criticism of the current administration of Governor Mondo Obolo, noted that the project was captured in the recently reviewed 2024 appropriation bill. So he said the flyover bridge, which the PDP had criticized, they say it was captured in the review project of 2024. He said that chairman of PDP in Edo State, Tony Zabame, that in claim from the press conference he had a few days ago, he said that claim only demonstrated that Tony Zabame has no knowledge of the implementation of the revised appropriation law 2024 of Edo State, that the flyover bridge can be captured in the open parentheses of the budget, which accommodate projects of implicit and urgent importance. Tony say, no. Anyone tell Tony Zabame say Edo people are now happy that a governor who understands their plight and he's ready to tackle them head on has come, and they now know that what the PDP government term impossible projects like the flyover are realizable by a government that is determined to work and not believe in memorandum of understanding that only existed on paper. I put up a small baseball, so they say waiting Governor Godwin Obaseki do that it was only on paper. All the things we be saying, they tell the people saying do say they no say more. So now that memorandum of understanding now they see. So I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Bye for now.